And then if you're really new, you go to your seller amp first. You go to your setting. Where is it? And then you go to additional cost. You pay about $2.20 here for the prep fee. And then 10% for taxes, right there. And then you click save. Fresh. This is a book. Okay. And then you double check the products if they match. So pocket, anatomy, physiology, district 3. So pocket, anatomy, and physiology. There's no addition though. Third edition. Okay. Yeah, it's just right there, right? Third edition. So it's the same product. And then from here, you plug in the numbers. So 38.69, 38.69. The sale price is so $42 for the seller and $70 for the seller. So I would put $69. Okay, so $70 here as a sale price. So your ROI is about 20%. Sales per month is about 31. And then if you look at the competition, there's 2 other sellers with 2 units. So is this a buy, guys? What's the verdict? Would you guys buy this?
Yes.
Yes. Leslie's a no. Gonzalo's a yes.
I walked away, so I didn't see the whole thing.
Yeah, so this product is selling at 20% ROI, 31 sales a month. And as far as other sellers, there's 2 other sellers with 2 units altogether.
I would do it.
No?
I would.
Oh, you would?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So again,
So,
it's going to be a personal choice. There's no.
Louis, can I ask you a question? Can you go back up to the, so you see how you have it? Can you go up, please, to the other box?
Right
Go
here?
up.
Up?
No, where the numbers are.
Okay.
So like you're at 19%, right? But now don't you have to take your total? So you would take like, I'm a figures person, so I'm always trying to figure the number. So you would just do 38.69. I know there's gonna be tax, but then you're gonna buy 10 times 10, right?
Right.
And then you have to divide. So just add another $20 for tax. I'm just gonna guess. And then, so it's like 406. And then you're gonna divide it by 10 plus, just say like 2.25, just saying for like the fees, right?
Okay.
So you're at 42.94 for the product. So if you plug that in, it's gonna bring it down to like, is that what people should be? Because that's what I do now. You said to always calculate before you buy it.
No, this is going to be the actual number. Well, no, because on seller amp, right? We put the tax, the Amazon fee, and the prep fee.
Oh, so I've been calculating that, and then I've been doing it like this, so all right. I did it wrong.
What do you mean exactly?
So I was doing that online, like I was going to, like, say I bought something from, I don't know, wherever, Kohl's. And it comes out and it has the taxes, everything, and the whole fee was whatever the price is. I've been dividing it by 10 and then putting it in here and adding like the 2.25 to it.
I mean, you can, right? You can. If you want to do that, you're gonna have to remove this part. Remember this part?
Yeah, so remove that whenever you go to get the actual price.
Right. This needs to be 0, this needs to be, yeah.
Okay,
And then you plug in the actual cost on here, right? Yeah. Yeah, just don't double, does that make sense? If you're adding
Yeah.
the tax on your cost, I mean, on your seller app, this needs to be 0, right?
Okay,
If you're adding the prep fee and the Amazon shipping fee on your number, this one needs to be 0 too.
okay.
Otherwise, you're gonna be doubling up, right?
I definitely was doing that. So I think my numbers are all wrong on my sheets. I don't know.
Yeah, so again, if you're doing product research, it's just estimate numbers,
Mhm.
right? But on your bookkeeping sheet, it needs to be exact numbers.
Right. So it's on the bookkeeping that I've been putting this in, those numbers.
The good news though is that when you hire a bookkeeper, you don't gotta worry about this. That's why I have one. But you still need to learn it though, like understand it, right? So here, hold on. So Steve and Cindy said, I usually also add the shipping fee into it because shipping isn't always free. Right. Yes. So if there's a shipping fee from a supplier, then yes, it needs to be added. Yeah. You good, Leslie?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one, I mean, it's up to you guys if you guys want to buy it or not. To me, it's good. So I'll just put good here. Good. Next. All right. Hmm. Why is this so cheap? Okay. So if you buy 12, right? Your cost would be $7.49. Icaria pet shampoo renew. Icaria shampoo renew 16 ounce. Yeah, same product. I think. So this one, right? If this one pops up, I would just put your email here. Get it? Coupon codes.
Mhm.
So plug in your email. Maybe not your number, but just your email. Okay, so $7.49. 7.49. This one looks sketchy to me, honestly. It's super cheap.
Well, is that, yeah, never mind.
Like a one piece. Should be a gallon. A
Yeah.
gallon. Oh, I see, okay. 16 ounce, okay. Oh, that makes more sense. So 16 ounce. Renew. Okay, renew. Okay. So $12 is the selling sale price to negative 7.49. So cost is $7.49. It's negative, right, guys? See it?
Right,
Negative.
yes.
Yeah, it's negative. Negative ROI. Bad product. Next. So nitty gritty roller mop. Let's punch mop. Okay. 2 extra mop head refill. 2 refills. Okay. Out of stock. Out of stock, but we'll just run the numbers, right? So $25. $25. Selling price is 66. Yeah, so about $66. Okay, ROI is 43%.
Oh, yeah, mm-hmm,
Sales a month. And there's 4 other sellers with this much inventory. Would you guys buy it?
yes,
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna keep it a double check, so 66, yeah. It's pretty stable as far as price. So yes, I agree. Free product for you guys right there. There.